Hello everyone, welcome to the BlogPorter demo. In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer your blog from your current platform to WordPress. Let's start with Wix, because that's the first one we implemented in BlogPorter. The way you have to do it's fairly easy. You just need to enter your Wix URL, your email, and then proceed with the analysis. For this demo, and the URL that I'm using here is a generic Wix blog that we have created. It only contains 3 posts, as you can see here. So that's exactly what BlogPorter identified, 3 posts. And if we want to proceed with payment, then we just need to click this button, enter our payment details, and then it will go back to the conversion step. So I'll just fill in the details here very quick, and I'll be back with you. All right, so now that my payment has been confirmed, you can see that step 3 now appears as complete, and you land on step 4. Step 4 is where we convert your content from the previous platform to the new WordPress platform. Depending on how much items you have, it can take a little bit longer, but in this case it was just 3 posts, so it was fairly quick, just 4 seconds. It can take some minutes, depending on the platform you choose. But essentially, the next step is just to download the file that we have created for you in BlogPorter. So you just click here to download, you add it to your download folder, and then this is what you'll need to import in WordPress. At the end of the page, there are also some guides to help you with this transition. So if you don't see the video, you can also just open one of these guides and you get the same information. All right, that's it from the Wix point of view. I'll just show you how you can do it for Blogger as well. And it's the same process. You just need to enter your Blogger URL and your email address. For Medium, it's slightly different. You're gonna need a file that Medium sends you over email. And to ask for this file, if you hover here, you can see the instructions. You just need to go to your Medium settings page, and you just need to click download your information. It's gonna ask you for confirmation, and as soon as you confirm, you will then receive an email from Medium that looks just like this. So you just need to click download your archive, and that's going to download a zip file, and that's the exact file that you need to upload here. So if I select the file that I just downloaded and I enter my email, you can see it's going to identify the posts, the content that I have inside my Medium file. All right, so that's it for Wix, Blogger, and Medium. That's how you start the process. You know already that at the end of the flow, you just download a BlogPorter export file. And that is the file that we will import in our WordPress installation. So WordPress, there are 2 flavors of WordPress. One is hosted and managed by WordPress themselves. It's a little bit more limited, but it's this one. In here, let me just take me out of the way. I just need to go to Tools, click Import. So I just need to click WordPress here at the top. And if I click Import Content Only, I just need to enter my my file, my import file from BlogPorter. Click Import. Okay, so now that it says that it was successful, I can now go into the posts page, and you can see that I have my 3 posts in here. And if I go to the media tab, sorry, you will see that I have here all the images that I was using on the posts that I have created in Wix. So for WordPress.org installation, the flow is a little bit different, and that is because if you import the file right away, it's going to import the posts, but it's not going to import the images. And so before we start with any import on our WordPress.org installation, you can see here I have no images, no media. I have to actually install a plugin called Auto Upload Images, and I'm just going to add at the end Ali, because that's the name of the person who creates this plugin. So that's the one, Auto Upload Images. I'm going to select this one, install it, and activate. All right. Okay, and the next one is going to Tools, click Import, and the option we want is this last one. So we just click Install Now. All right, it's installed. And now I just have to click Run Importer. So now that the Auto Upload Images plugin and the importer of WordPress is installed, I can go ahead, select here the WordPress file, click Upload and Submit. So it's going to do the same thing that it did for WordPress.com, where it's going to import the posts that it found inside the file that we downloaded from BlogPorter. Plus, it's going to download all the images that we were using in those posts. So be careful, because this white page, the loading page, it can take quite long time to download the images. So just be careful to not leave the page, leave it in the background, just don't close it, because then you may interrupt that process. Okay, so now it's done. It says import WordPress, and it says all done. I just click here to see the posts, and I can see the posts in here. I can also go to the media, and I'll see the images that I was using in Wix also imported in here successfully. So just as a quick comparison, let me open here the first Wix blog post, and you can see that we were using the images that have been imported. We have here some bullet points with some rich formatting text. We have here some links and even a video embedded. We also have here different H5, H4, so different headline types or sizes. And I just want to show you how we do this conversion. So if you go into WordPress, you can see that if I click here on the top, and you can see on the left, all the blocks that we were using in blocks have been converted into this new Gutenberg editor blocks in WordPress. So everything has been recognized correctly, and you can see that the bullet points are here. Everything that was bold is still bold. All the URLs are kept here. The images, the different headline sizes, even the videos are also imported. And one important thing for your SEO, not to be hurt by this migration, is that we also keep your slugs intact. So the ones you are using in Wix are also the same that are used here. And that's it. Enjoy BlogPorter. I hope it's useful and it saves you a lot of time, so not to have to copy paste every single post from one platform to the other. That's it. Thank you so much.